Best ceiling mounts comparison. Projector ceiling mounts are essential for achieving optimal viewing angles and maximizing the functionality of home theaters, offices, and classrooms. They provide a secure and adjustable platform for projectors, ensuring stability and ease of use. The Vivo Universal Adjustable Ceiling Projector Mount is a versatile and robust option designed to fit most projectors on the market. Made from high-grade steel, it supports up to 30 pounds, making it suitable for heavier projectors. Its fully adjustable design allows for plus 15 degrees to minus 15 degrees tilt, plus 15 degrees to minus 15 degrees swivel, and 360 degrees rotation, ensuring flexible viewing angles. The low-profile design keeps the projector just 6 inches from the ceiling, blending seamlessly into home or office environments. However, compatibility limitations exist for certain projector models, which may require additional research before purchase. In testing, the Vivo mount demonstrated excellent stability even with larger projectors. The white powder-coated finish adds a clean aesthetic, while the quick-release hooks simplify installation and removal. Users appreciated the detailed instructions, though some found the process slightly time-consuming. This mount is ideal for consumers seeking a durable and adjustable solution for standard-sized projectors, but it may not be the best choice for many. The yiat Mini Ceiling Wall Projector Mount is the most affordable option in this comparison, priced at just $7.29. Designed specifically for mini projectors, it offers universal compatibility and comes with 3 screw adapters of varying sizes. It supports up to 5 kilograms, 11 pounds, and provides 360-degree rotation and a 90-degree tilt angle for flexible positioning. Its compact and lightweight design makes it ideal for portable setups. Though its build quality reflects its budget-friendly nature, during testing, the yiat mount proved easy to install and adjust, making it a convenient choice for users with smaller projectors. However, its lightweight construction raised concerns about long-term durability, especially when used with heavier devices. The mount's limited load capacity restricts its use to mini projectors only. Despite these drawbacks, it remains a solid choice for budget-conscious consumers seeking a simple and portable mounting solution. List 3. The Walle Projector Mount offers a versatile 3-in-1 design for ceiling and wall installation, with a telescoping arm for height adjustments. Made from high-grade steel, it supports up to 44 pounds, making it the most durable option in this comparison. Its universal compatibility accommodates mounting holes between 8.9 and 12.4 inches, and it can be installed on various surfaces, including wood studs and concrete ceilings. The mount also features tilt and swivel adjustments for precise positioning. In our tests, the Walle mount excelled in stability and adjustability, making it suitable for both home and professional use. The telescoping arm provides a wide range of height adjustments, though installation on vaulted ceilings is not supported. The heavy-duty construction ensures reliability, but its larger size and weight may be overkill for smaller projectors. Overall, this mount is ideal for users with heavier projectors or those requiring a versatile installation option. List 4. The Dina Vista Full Motion Ceiling Projector Mount is a premium option with extensive adjustability. It supports projectors up to 30 pounds and offers tilt, swivel, and 360-degree rotation for maximum versatility. The extendable arm allows for height adjustments between 8.9 and 43.6 inches, making it suitable for various ceiling heights. Crafted from heavy-duty steel, this mount ensures durability and stability, though its high price point may deter budget-conscious buyers. During testing, the Dina Vista mount provided excellent adjustability and stability, making it ideal for home theaters and professional setups. However, its complex installation process and bulky design may pose challenges for inexperienced users. The mount's premium construction and features justify its price, but it is best suited for consumers seeking advanced functionality and a reliable solution for heavier projectors. List 5. The Peterson adjustable projector ceiling mount is the most feature-rich option in this comparison. Priced at $39.99. It includes a metal tray that holds up to 22 pounds and offers hidden cable management for a clean setup. The arm extends between 14.17 and 21.65 inches, allowing for customized placement. This mount is compatible with projectors, video cameras, and laptops, making it a versatile solution for various devices. In testing, the Peterson mount impressed with its robust construction and integrated cable management system. The tray design is ideal for users who frequently switch between devices, though its load capacity is lower than other premium models. Installation is straightforward with clear instructions, but the mount's weight, 6.16 pounds, may require additional support during setup. Overall, this mount is perfect for users seeking a multi-purpose solution with advanced features.